Mastering basic seaman splices is essential for anyone looking to enhance their seamanship skills. Splices are not just knots. They create strong, reliable connections that can withstand the rigors of the sea. Understanding how to make these splices can mean the difference between safety and disaster on the water. Let's dive into the top 5 essential splices every sailor should know. First up is the Eye Splice. This splice creates a loop at the end of a rope, perfect for attaching to a cleat or a shackle. To make an eye splice, start by unlaying the strands of the rope about a foot from the end. Then, form a loop and tuck the standing part of the rope through the loop, weaving the strands back into their original positions. This creates a strong, secure eye that won't slip or come undone. Next, we have the short splice. This is used to join two lengths of rope together. Begin by laying the two ropes side by side and unlaying the ends for about 6 inches. Then interweave the strands of each rope together, alternating between the two. Once you've woven them together, tuck the strands back into the rope, ensuring a smooth finish. This splice is great for extending your line without losing strength. The third splice is the long splice, which is similar to the short splice but designed for a flatter finish. This is particularly useful when you need to pass through a block or pulley. Start by unlaying the ends of both ropes for about a foot. Interweave the strands, but instead of alternating them directly, stagger the tuck lengths. This creates a seamless transition between the two ropes, making it less bulky and easier to handle. Fourth on our list is the back splice. This is a fantastic way to prevent the end of a rope from fraying. To create a back splice, unlay the last few inches of the rope and then twist the strands back together, wrapping them tightly. Finish by tucking the end back into the rope. This simple splice not only strengthens the end, but also gives it a neat appearance. Finally, we have the Flemish coil. While not a splice in the traditional sense, it's crucial for storing rope properly. A Flemish coil keeps your rope organized and tangle-free, making it easy to deploy when needed. To make a Flemish coil, lay the rope in a series of loops, ensuring each loop is flat and neat. This method not only looks professional, but also prevents kinks and tangles. Now that you know how to make these essential splices, it's time to practice. Grab some rope and get to work. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in your abilities. Remember, mastering these techniques will not only improve your seamanship, but also enhance your overall safety on the water. If you found this information helpful, engage with the channel. Share your thoughts, ask questions, and let's build a community of skilled sailors together. Your journey in seamanship starts here, so keep practicing those splices.